Hello dears, how are you? Yes, welcome back students, welcome back to you. Okay, in the previous video we have seen the properties of the card, isn't it? We have seen the some properties and results of the card. So now we are going to see the angle which is related to the arc of the circle. Okay, now we are going to see the angle which is related to the circle. Okay, shall we go? Yes. So our first result is related to the angle which is related to the arc of the circle. Okay, the angle which is related to the arc of the circle. Okay, so our topic is angle subtended by the arc of the circle. Okay, angle subtended by the arc of a circle. Angle subtended by the arc of the circle. So through our activity we have three results, isn't it? இந்த நமக்கு அந்த ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணியிருந்தோம், அதில் வந்து சர்க்கிளோட ஆர்க்கில் என்னென்ன ஆங்கிள் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுங்கிறத நம்ம அந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி மூலமாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம் இல்லையா? த்ரூ திஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டி, த்ரூ தட் ஆக்டிவிட்டி we have seen the angle which is subtended, the angle subtended by the arc of the circle. Okay, through that activity we have seen the angle subtended at the arc of the circle. அது என்ன டைப் ஆஃப் ஆர்க்கோ அதை பொறுத்து தான் அந்த ஆங்கிள் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? The angle subtended in the arc of the semicircle is right angle. The angle subtended in the arc of the semicircle is right angle. The angle that is subtended in the major segment is called acute angle. The angle subtended by the major segment is called acute angle. Okay, the angle that is in major segment is acute angle. Okay, and the angle in the minor segment is obtuse angle. So our results are here. Angle in the semicircle is right angle, and angle in the major segment is acute angle, and angle in the minor segment is obtuse angle. Okay, yes. The next we have a result which is related to the center and circumference. Angle at the center and circumference. Okay, so angle at the center and the circumference. Angle at the center and the circumference. Okay, so our first theorem result are here. Let us consider any circle with center O. Let us consider any circle with center O. Now place the point ABC on the circumference. Okay guys, what is circumference? Circumference na enna? Yes, circumference is the boundary of the circle. Circumference is the boundary of the circle. So now we have to place the any 3 point ABC on the boundary of the circle, that is circumference. Okay, we have to place the 3 points on the circumference. So here I have three circles with the center O. Okay, so I have placed ABC on the circumference at different places. நான் இந்த மூணு சர்க்கிள்ஸ்லையும் ஏபிசியை டிஃப்ரெண்டான இடத்துல நான் மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். ஓகேங்களா? Okay, in first figure 4.65 I marked ABC in major segment, and the second figure I marked ABC in semicircle. Yes, and in the last figure I have marked ABC in minor segment. Okay, so அந்த மாதிரி நான் ABCங்கிற மூணு பாயிண்ட்ஸையும் I have marked different places in these three circles. Okay, yes. So in this figure AB, the arc AB is the minor segment. In this figure arc AB is the minor segment. Here AB is the minor segment, isn't it? Yes. And In the next figure, AB is a semicircle. In the next figure, AB is a semicircle. The arc AB is a semicircle. Arc AB is a semicircle. Okay. So previous figure AB is a minor segment, minor arc. In here AB is a semicircle. Arc AB is a semicircle. Okay. So similarly, in this figure AB is a major arc. Okay. In this figure AB is a major arc. Here AB is a major arc. Okay. AB is a major arc here. So in this figure, arc AB is one of the circle in AB is semicircle, and arc AB is minor arc, and one of the circle AB is a major arc. Okay. So அந்த மூணு சர்க்கிள்ஸ்லையுமே ஏபிங்கிற ஆர்க் வந்து வித்தியாசமான டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆர்க்காக இருக்கிறத நம்மளால் பார்க்க முடியுது. ஓகே. So in all figures AXB, in all figures the arc AXB, that is the arc AXB, which subtends AOB at the center, angle AOB at the center, and the angle ACB at a point on the circumference. Okay. So the angle AOB on the center and ACB at a circumference, at a point on the circumference. இந்த AXBங்கிற ஆர்க்கு AOBங்கிற ஆங்கிளை சென்டர்லையும் ஏசிபிங்கிற ஆங்கிளை சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ்லையும் உருவாக்குதுங்கிறத நம்ம பார்க்க முடியுது இல்லையா. அந்த ஏஎக்ஸ்பிங்கிற அந்த ஆர்க்கு, ஏஎக்ஸ்பிங்கிற இந்த ஆர்க்கு ஏஓபிங்கிறத சென்டர்லையும் அண்ட் ஏசிபிங்கிறத சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ்லையும் உருவாக்குறத நம்மளால் பார்க்க முடியுது. ஓகே. ஸோ ஃபார் அவர் பர்பஸ் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் CO to D. நம்ம அந்த COலேருந்து Dக்கு நம்ம கோடை வந்து நம்ம இழுத்து விட்டுருக்கோம். ஃபார் அவர் பர்பஸ், ஒன்லி ஃபார் அவர் பர்பஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் வி ஹாவ் அ ரிசல்ட் OCA ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் OAC பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் OA ஈக்குவல் டு OC. அண்ட் வி ஹேர் ஆல்சோ அனதர் ரிசல்ட் OB ஈக்குவல் டு OC. இப்போ இது எதனாலன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? எஸ், because here we have a triangle AO AOC. Okay, here we have OA and OC are equal. Okay, ஏன்னா அந்த ரெண்டு சர்க்கிளோட ரேடியஸ் சரிங்களா, அதனால OA which is equal to OC. So we have a property. என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டினா, ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்ததுன்னா the opposite angles of the sides are also equal. When two sides are equal, then the opposite angles of the sides are also equal. We have a result, when two sides are equal, then opposite angles of the sides are also equal. Okay. So what is the here OA and OC are equal. Okay. OA and OC are equal. So what is the opposite angle of OA? Yes, opposite angle of OA is OCA. Okay. So OCA. So the opposite angle of OA is OCA. Okay. OCA. Here also our another side is OC. So what is the opposite angle of OC? What is the opposite angle of OC? Yes, it is here. OAC. Okay. OAC. What is the opposite angle of OC? OAC. So which is equal to OAC. Okay guys, so OA and OC are equal, then the opposite angles of the sides are also equal. So we have a result OCA equal to angle OAC. Okay guys? Yes. Similarly, we have another triangle BOC. Okay? Here OB and OC are the equal sides because they are the radius of the circle. Okay? So OB and OC are equal. OB which is equal to OC. So here when two sides are equal, then opposite angle of a sides are also equal. இந்த ரெண்டு பக்கம் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்ததுன்னா அதோட ஆப்போசிட் ஆங்கிள்ஸும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குங்கிறது நம்மளோட ரிசல்ட். ஸோ which is the opposite angle of OB? Yes, OCB. Which is the opposite angle of OB? OCB. The opposite angle of OB is OCB. OCB. So OCB which is equal to, which is the opposite angle of OC? Here I have OC. Which is the opposite angle of OC? Yes, here I have OBC. OBC. The opposite angle of OC is OBC. OBC. Okay? OBC. So, OBC. Okay? OBC. So, I have a result. OB, we have a result OB equal to OC. So, when two sides are equal, then opposite angles of the sides are also equal. So, I have a result OCB equal to OBC. Okay? OCB equal to OBC. So, do you understand guys? Yes. So, we have two results. That is, we have two results OCA equal to OAC and OCB equal to OBC. Okay? And because of the OA equal to OC and OB equal to OC. Okay guys? இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டு ரிசல்ட் வந்து நம்ம கையில் வச்சிருக்கிறோம். ஓகேங்களா? எஸ். Then we have a result. The sum of the two interior opposite angle is exterior angle. Sum of the two opposite interior angle is exterior angle. Okay? So, we have a exterior angle. We have a exterior angle. What it is? Here we have a two exterior angles. What are they? One exterior angle is AOD and another exterior angle is BOD. Okay? One exterior angle is AOD and another exterior angle is BOD. So, the sum of the two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. Okay? And the result தான் நம்ம இப்போ கொண்டு வர போறோம். Okay? Yes. So, here I have a இது நம்மளோட D. It is our A. This is our O and this is our C. Okay guys? So, what is exterior angle? AOD is a exterior angle. Here AOD is the exterior angle. So, angle AOD which is equal to, what is two opposite interior angle? Yes, one angle is OCA. OCA. So, one angle is OCA and what is the another opposite angle? Yes, one opposite angle is this one and another opposite angle is, yes, OAC. 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 Okay? So, plus angle OAC. Okay? OCA plus angle OAC. So, AOD is equal to OCA. I will show it. AOD is equal to OCA and OAC. Okay guys? Sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. Okay? Similarly, we have another result. That is, we have another exterior angle. This is our B and this is our C, O and D. What is our exterior angle? Yes, angle BOD is our exterior angle. So sum of two exterior angle which is equal to sum of two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So what is the opposite interior angle? இது எது வந்து interior angle? Yes, OBC is one interior angle. OBC is one interior angle. So OBC is one interior angle. And what is the another interior angle? Yes, OCB. 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 So OCB. Okay. So one interior angle is OBC. OBC and another interior angle is OCB. Okay. One is OBC and another one is OCB, which is equal to the sum of these is equal to the BOD, that is the exterior angle. இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளையும் கூட்டினா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இந்த exterior angle கிடைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? So we have two results. Okay? Yes. So that is AOD equal to OAC. We have a previous result OAC equal to OCA. So substitute the value of OAC which is equal to OCA. So 2 times OCA, that is 2 OCA. Okay. இது நம்ம previous result வச்சு இதை எழுதியிருக்கிறோம். ஓகேங்களா? OAC equal to OCAங்கிறது நம்மளோட previous result. அதை வச்சு தான் நான் OAC equal to OCA போட்டிருக்கிறேன். ஓகேங்களா? Yes. Similarly, we have a BOD equal to OBC plus OCB by the exterior angle theorem. Okay. So we have a result OBC equal to OCB. So OBC க்கு பதிலா நான் OCB substitute பண்ணிருக்கேன். So 2 times here OCB, that is 2 OCB. இப்போ AOD equal to 2 times OCA and angle BOD equal to 2 times OCB. Okay? Yes. From 1 and 2, AOD plus angle BOD equal to 2 OCA plus 2 OCB. That is 2 times angle OCA plus angle OCB. We have the result. The half of the angle AOB is equal to angle ACB and the half of the angle AOB which is equal to angle ADB. So this is our two results. Okay. The half of the angle AOB which is equal to angle ACB and half of the angle AOB is equal to angle ADB. Okay. So here two left sides are equal. So what can we say? Yes, right sides also equal. So angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. ACB is equal to angle ADB. So what are the two angles? Which are the two angles? எது இதெல்லாம்? ACB and ADB, what are they? என்னது? ACB is the angle is in the major segment of the circle. And ADB is also in the angle major segment of the circle. Okay. So ACB and ADB are the two angles in the same segment of the circles. ACB and ADB are the angles in the same segment of the circle. So what can we say? The same segment of the circles are equal. The angles in the same segment of the circles are equal. The angles in the same segment of the circles are equal. ACB and ADB are the two angles in the same segments. So they are equal. Okay. This is our result. The angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay. Yes.